Hey paper crafters! Welcome back to our channel, and thanks so much for being here. Today, we're going to customize a gatefold card. This was actually a special request from one of our lovely customers. And the great thing is, this technique works with any gatefold card template you may have. You can follow this same process, whether you're using the standard SVG file or the SVG with score lines. Both are included in your download. In either case, the score lines are separated from the design. That's intentional. This way, they don't disappear when we use the weld tool. Alright, let's jump in. Once you upload the SVG file to Cricut Design Space, the first thing to do is identify the fold lines and change the operation from cut to score. Next, go ahead and ungroup the design. Now I'm going to use the text tool to add the number 9. I'm using the Brie Serif font. It's free on Google Fonts. Of course, you can also add a letter or even a little image. Let your imagination run wild. Using the Align tool, position the number, or whichever element you chose, right where you want it. Now I'll add an offset with a value of 0.1, but feel free to adjust this number depending on the look you're going for. By default, the offset keeps the shape of the number, including that little hole inside the number 9, but I'd like to remove that hole. To do that, I'll grab a circle from the Shapes menu, resize it to fit, then select both the number's offset and the circle and weld them together. Next, I want to weld the card base with the number 9's offset. To do that, I'll center the number where I want it. Then select both layers. You can hold Shift and click on both, or just drag a selection box over them in the canvas, and then hit Weld. I also noticed there's a tiny cut line left behind. We don't need that, so I'll use the same method. Add a small circle from Shapes, resize and place it over the unwanted cut. Then select both the circle and the card base and weld them. After welding, the score lines might get sent to the back, so just send back the gatefold card itself, and the score lines will pop back up where you can see them. Before moving on, I always double-check that the width of my design is no more than 11.5 inches, since that's the max my Cricut Maker can handle. Now select both the card base and the score lines again. You can hold Shift or drag your cursor and click Attach. That keeps everything together on the same cutting mat. And now your file is ready to go. Click Make It. You should see 3 mats: the gatefold card, the numbers, and the insert. Pick your favorite colors and get your cardstock ready. I'll be using the cardstock for intricate cut setting and my scoring stylus. I recommend using 80 pounds cardstock, a well-sticky cutting mat, and make sure your blade is nice and sharp. With those settings, you'll get clean, crisp cuts just like this one. Once all the pieces are cut, it's time to assemble. First, glue the number right on the front of the gatefold card. Then fold along the score lines and press with your bone folder to get sharp creases. Add your insert with your chosen design or message inside the card. Also included in your download is the envelope template. This is the one I'm showing here. To make it, you'll need a 12x 12-inch sheet of paper or cardstock. If there's a specific project you'd love to see on the channel, let us know in the comments. We're always listening, and we'll keep your ideas in mind for future tutorials and templates. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got some fun surprises coming up, and you won't want to miss what's next as we keep exploring the world of SVG cut files together.